Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Walmart benefit card online. First, ensure you have an active Walmart.com account. If you are an existing user, simply log in with your email address and password. New users will need to take a few moments to create an account, which is a straightforward process requiring your email and a secure password. Having an account is the foundational step for managing your benefits. Once logged in, you will need to link your benefit card to your Walmart.com account. Look for the Account section or Payment Methods in the navigation menu. From there, select the option to add a new benefit card. Carefully input your card's 16-digit number, the expiration date, and any other required security information. This step securely connects your benefits to your online profile, allowing for future purchases. After linking your card, it is easy to check your available balance and understand your benefits. Simply revisit the Payment Methods section and select your added benefit card. Here, you will see your current funds, perhaps broken down by specific benefit categories such as over-the-counter items or healthy foods. Regularly checking your balance helps you plan your purchases and ensures you always know how much is available. When you are ready to shop, simply add your desired, eligible items to your shopping cart on Walmart.com. During the checkout process, you will be prompted to choose a payment method. Select your previously linked benefit card from the options available. After reviewing your order details, including your shipping address and the total amount, you can complete your purchase with just a few clicks. It is a seamless way to use your benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.